What's going on, guys? Back with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the new mystery model set. I have 1 through 3 here, and we'll go ahead and jump right into it with number 3. I believe this is the Morris Mini there. So let's crack it open. Alright, ready guys? Here we go. Boom, look at this Morris Mini. Oh, first look at it, it is just absolutely beautiful. It's got the green sparkly paint, number 3 on there for number 3 on the mystery model set. Check out this thing. I really like the roof here. It's probably one of my favorite parts. It's got all brown interior. The driver's side is on the passenger side, so it is a right-hand drive Morris Mini. Very short wheelbase, plastic base. Really nice. No tampos on the front, no tampos on the rear, but that's all right. There goes the Morris Mini. Let's check out the sticker. I always like the stickers on these. There goes the sticker, number 3 for the Morris Mini. It's got that checkered logo right there to match. So there we go. I will set this back up over here like this, and maybe it'll work. No, keep sliding. Alright, there goes the Morris Mini. Moving on to number 2. This is the Nissan Skyline. So let's crack this bad boy open. There we go. Oh, and look at that. Got the tri-spokes, classic JDM right there. Right off the bat. Oh, we got full tampos on the rear there. RS Turbo. It's got the number 2, being number 2 from this pack. Red interior, plastic base. This thing is just absolutely nice. Alright, let's see what this sticker looks like. There we go. It's got the gold to match the gold wheels with the red. Nissan Skyline. RS KDR 30 there. Really nice. Really nice. I'm very excited for number 1 of this set. It's this one. It has the little question mark. So I'm not really sure what we're gonna open here. But before we open it, to anybody who's new to this, if you pull this little tab back, the number on the right hand side, not sure if you guys can see that, number 1, that's how you can tell what car is in the pack. And you look at the box and it'll tell you what car it is. Fortunately, I was able to find all 3. But anyways, enough talking. Let's crack this bad boy open and check it out. Having a little bit of difficulty. There we go. Alright, you ready guys? Like this video. Comment which one's your favorite and subscribe please, and thank you. Here we go. Oh, look at this. Look at this Porsche. The 911 Carrera RS 2.7. Right off the bat, there goes that number 1 for it being number 1 in the mystery model series. Really, really nice sparkly teal color paint. Black interior. Left-hand driver. Got the little Porsche logo right there. Don't know if you guys can see that. Porsche on the back. Real simple, real clean, really nice. plastic base. The base actually has some sparkly paint going on there too. Alright, let's check out this sticker that comes with it. Awesome, excellent. We got that, matches the graphics right there. All the stickers match the car, and that is just awesome. So I'll place that there, put that there, and put that right there, and do a quick little sweep of the cars. Comment down below 1, 2, or 3 for your favorite one. Thank you guys, and until next time.